In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix story comments not showing in Instagram. First thing you want to do is go to your profile page, click at the top right, scroll down, and you want to go to comments here. And here you want to make sure that for the stories, you allow everyone to comment. Make sure you're not blocking anyone over here. So if you see block comments from, make sure you remove people you have blocked and allow everyone to comment. Now go back. If this doesn't fix your issue, then leave Instagram, go to Play Store, search for Instagram, and check if Instagram needs updating. Simply updating it could fix your issue. Now if you're still having issues, then what you can do is try uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram, and this could actually fix your issue. Now if you're still having issues, then it could be because you have blocked this certain Instagram accounts from commenting. So go to Instagram, go to your profile, click at the top right, scroll down, and you will see here blocked. If you click on blocked, you want to make sure you unblock anyone. So if you blocked someone and that person can't comment, that could be basically the reason. So make sure you unblock them, and you also want to make sure to go back to comments here and also unblock them from here. So this way they may be able to comment again and their comments will show. Now if you're still having issues, what you can do is go to the top right again, scroll all the way down, and go to help, report a problem, and report problem without shaking. Over here you will have basically the option to report. So put a brief explanation, include images and everything, and send your report, and Instagram will help you fix this issue. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.